There's literally no one in the Fort Wilderness parking lot.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
We are off to visit another abandoned Disney resort. So I asked you guys which resort you wanted us to go visit next, and you all kind of said you wanted us to all go visit Wilderness Lodge, number 23. This is still just a very odd sight to look at. I got the COVID-19 warning. Now, it's probably been, what, probably close to a year since the last time I've been to Wilderness Lodge. Again, just a couple cast members behind the plexiglass. Whispering Canyon is still open. There's a couple families eating. Now, I did have some families stay here one time, and around like 2 in the morning, this is kind of like what it feels like. Now, the Mercantile is open. I'm really tempted to buy one of these for Chris, because I know Chris would cook in any of these. You sadly can't get any of your caricatures here. And Artist Point is closed. We were going to use our coupon there to not pay full price, but who knows if we'll ever be able to use it. Hi Omar, what is it like staying at an abandoned Disney resort?
It's weird. It's very empty, but it's nice, I guess.
And I know you're all very upset. The Salon of the Springs is closed. Now Dom said every hour, on the hour, the geyser shoots off. We are down to the final minute of the big blast off. I know you are on the edge of your seat right now. There she is, she's going. Wait. Is that it? That is nature, okay? That just doesn't happen out of nowhere. Nature created that, Jerry. A.K. Joe Rohde and his Imagineers. Even though the parks are closed, I'm glad we can still enjoy a wonderful daytime show. I'm so used to seeing all the little boats go back and forth and honking and it's definitely the size for Hagrid. Huh? That looks like when you're a little kid on the booster seat. Alright, we're at Geyser Point. It looks like only the bar is open. And normally when we come here, we just order a quick service of the mobile order and you pick it up right here, but it's all shut down. It took me a second, but yes, there are bison topiaries right here. And the Boulder Ridge Quiet Pool is extra quiet today. Alright, now the quick service that is still open is the Roaring Fork. We got the Roaring Fork. I got chicken and waffles, but the real seller was that pecan butter that comes with it. Ooh, I smell the Mickey waffles. Ooh, so you get 2 little tendies with 2 little Mickey waffles. Looks like there's there's brown sugar and pecans in the butter. Okay, here goes the Mickey waffle. Alright, let's try this pecan butter. Okay, I just finished this chicken and waffles. I've missed the simplicity of just the Mickey waffle. And then that pecan butter was, it just like took it on to the next level. If you want something good for like a breakfast and you're staying here, get the chicken and waffles with the pecan butter. Now I think the whole time we've been here, I've probably seen around like 25, 30 guests the entire like hour we've been here so far. We're in the DVC section, so this is where the guests should be. Now, we're at home right now, and I would say Wilderness Lodge isn't creepy. Like, the Grand and the Poly, like, things just didn't feel right. But since Wilderness Lodge is kind of, like, out in nature, and nature's kind of supposed to be quiet, I didn't feel it was that eerie. It was like a nice, peaceful walking trail, almost. But you know what we haven't done in a while? Now, guys, welcome back to i4 News. I am your host, Lil Churro. We have a lot to get to. A lot has gone on in the world of Disney. First off, we all know the cases in Florida have been skyrocketing. What are we up to today? You actually added a 0, right? 10,000? Yes, 10,000 new cases currently today in Florida. Great. And some good news, Disney World is opening up. Dom and Jared have gone back to work. I'm still #funemployed. Now Disney has offered cast previews for the park. I think July 8th, I will be at Animal Kingdom. I'm hopefully gonna go to all 4 parks depending on our schedules. Now I think the thing I'm missing most from the Disney parks, getting me a good old jungle juice and a Ronto wrap. But I will keep you updated on what the process is of what the parks look like in this new era of, you know. Now this might be one of our only opportunities actually to go to the Disney parks because cast members have now been blocked out until September. We've been blocked out of Hollywood Studios since the opening of Galaxy's Edge. It'll be a year we would have been blocked out of Hollywood Studios. Also to all my fellow Disney College Program homies, yeah, it has been suspended until further notice, which I think is a good idea because everybody just is one big happy family in the DCP, and if one person gets infected, it would fall like Rome. The Vista Way kind of is like Rome with all the, well, that's not family friendly, I'm not gonna say that. I don't think the DCP is coming back anytime soon. I think they're gonna wait until a vaccine happens. But the NBA still is coming to Disney World. They've started installing the practice basketball courts at Coronado, and I wonder if there's gonna be upcharge to like have your conference in the room that LeBron sweated in. I don't think they can get enough AC cranked in there. Well, good luck to everybody trying to get the BO smell out of that conference room. Now, before we get to our final story, I believe we have a reporter in the field with the weather.
I wish I could put the window down just so y'all can see how much it's pouring. It's pouring mad outside. It's pouring wild outside. Look at all the dicks. Look at all the dicks. Look at it. Oh, you can't even see it. Mad dick outside. Hear that? Hell is dropping out the fucking skies. Jesus is coming, bro. Like, big hell is dropping out the fucking sky. I'm telling you, something's going on in the world, man.
I'm glad there was a delay so we could bleep all of that. Now, in the biggest news of all, Splash Mountain is no more. Well, kind of is no more. It's gonna be rethemed. The Princess and the Frog is gonna be taking over Splash Mountain, which personally, I am excited for because I'm not a fan of Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain is personally one of my least favorite rides at Disney. Now they have just released concept art. Now everybody's thinking, oh my God, Splash Mountain's going away. It's not gonna be gone anytime soon. There's still plenty of Disney projects and stuff to be finished, and who knows what's going on with this budget. So I think it's gonna be a very, very, very long time until we get the final project. Retired Imagineer Tony Baxter, who I met, I did nerd out when I met him at Disneyland, is gonna be overseeing the project, so it's gonna be in good hands. Now for you guys who don't know who Tony Baxter is, he's an incredible Imagineer. Like all your favorite rides, he helped create Star Tours, Splash Mountain, Big Thunder Railroad. But so the ride is gonna take place after the Princess and the Frog movie. We have this concept art, but this is what I think the story is gonna be, okay? Tiana and Naveen are gonna be going off their little honeymoon. Somehow Dr. Facilier is gonna come back. He's gonna turn everyone into animals. So that way Disney doesn't have to pay all that money to retheme all those animatronics. They just keep everybody an animal. Now what I think would be really cool is in the middle of the ride, you're gonna go into the other side, Dr. Facilier's the other side, and everything's gonna be like neon and craziness, and his music will be playing like a deep bass, you know, like a rave. So you're gonna get to the top of the lift hill. The vultures are still gonna be staring at you. Mama Odie is gonna turn you back into a human. You're gonna go down, you're gonna sadly get wet. And then you're gonna end up in Louisiana. It's gonna be the Mardi Gras. And then we're gonna have one big happy celebration. The boat, I would think Mickey and the Magical Map, you know, when Tiana comes out, I believe that's how they're gonna retheme the boat, where they used to sing Zippity Doo Dah. That is what I think. I'm personally excited for it. It's gonna be great. When will we see that? I say 5 years. I don't know, what are your thoughts on what the new rethemed Princess and the Frog Splash Mountain ride is gonna be? And because Splash Mountain is going away, the merchandise prices are going crazy. Yes, the free Ziploc bag that they gave to you before you got on the ride sold for $40 on eBay. For a Ziploc bag. So to make sure you all stay updated on what's going on in Disney World, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I will keep you up to date with all the crazy stuff that's gonna be happening in the next couple weeks. If you enjoyed this video and want me to go to more crazy abandoned Disney resorts, make sure to hit that like button. Now, kind of like the last video, write down in the comments which Disney resort you want me to go visit next. Now, for any of you coming to the reopening of Disney World, please, I want you to remember, wear a mask, and please be nice to the cast members because they are just gonna be as uncomfortable as you, even worse. Because they're gonna be wearing that mask 8 to 10 hours a day in the hot sun. Now the guests can go to places that are shaded or to little rest areas, but please thank every single cast member for being there because without them, it is not Disney World. They create the magic, they make Disney World what it is. Please make the cast members feel respected and appreciated. I love you all, please stay safe, wear a mask, and I will see you all very soon. Now at the bus station they have the coin press. I understand what these have to do with the wilderness, but what does Woody and Buzz have to do with the wilderness?